Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Evie, and today in this video I'm very excited to announce that we are doing a Instagram pictorial. Now, if you don't know what an Instagram pictorial is, it is just where people post their pictures for you to follow their makeup routine, kind of like YouTube, but picture form, Instagram form. So I really wanted to try one. I've been wanting to try one for a long time. This is obviously the makeup look, so we will see if it looks how I wanted it to or how the picture was. But if you want to see me do an Instagram pictorial, then just keep watching. Okay, I look like a hot mess, but today I wanted to do a video doing a Instagram pictorial. So I wanted to try one, see how it works out instead of just a YouTube video. To my right, I have my laptop, which has the picture. So if you see me looking over there, that's why. But let's get started. I will show on the screen what I want the end result to look like, and we will judge at the end. The first step is to prime your eyes. Some people give specifics, but I don't think it matters. Okay, step 1 complete. Step 2, apply a deep burgundy shade to the crease. Here we go. They really packed it in there. Okay, I look like a psycho. Okay, let's move on. Step 2, blend the crease out with a vibrant red. Thank goodness, because I still feel like I look like a clown. Step 3, blend out the edges with a bright yellow. And it is supposed to touch your eyebrow. I was nervous. I was getting close. But you know what? This blend looks pretty good from afar. It's pretty magical, actually. I feel like one side's better than the other. I hate when that happens too. All right, I think we're good. Step I don't know. Cut the middle of your lid with your base to create a halo eye. This I know I suck at. I'm so proud of what I've done so far. I don't want to mess it up. Or I really feel like that one guy.
Okay, so you just want to take your brow pencil and you kind of want to sharpen up the edge of your brow and you'll get that nice... The fuck is this? God damn it. Oh my god! What the fuck? I was almost ready too. God damn it!
Good. Apply the same shades in order starting from your outer corner and add glitter in the middle. I'm just going to do the whole thing yellow and then put the gold on top of the yellow. Prettier. Let's use this super fluffy brush. Okay, blend, 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 blend. Looks nothing like the picture. But we'll do the rest of the makeup to see how it turned out. I'm gonna do my hair and I will be right back and we will discuss everything. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm burning up, but I really feel like this look came out pretty good. I've never done any eye makeup that looks like this and I really like it. I think it turned out really good. I think I could be featured on Instagram, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, if you guys haven't tried an Instagram pictorial, I would definitely think about trying one because, again, I didn't expect it to come out this good, and this is pretty. And I think I'm going to be doing a lot more of them because it looks like I know how to do makeup, and I really like the look. Even though it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to or how the picture looked, I think this still came out really beautiful, and I really like it. So give Instagram pictorials a try and see what you can do. Thanks for watching today. I hope you had fun. I had tons of fun, even though I'm running supremely late, but the makeup looks pretty bomb, so I'm happy. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!